Today, we're going to show you how to upgrade your existing smoke detector to a combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Let's get started. Before we begin, here are a list of tools you'll need: a ladder, some wire strippers, screwdriver, voltage tester, wire nuts, and of course, your new combination detector. Step 1. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to ensure your safety while working on electrical wiring. Next, carefully remove the old smoke detector from the mounting bracket. Disconnect the wiring, making note of which wires are connected. Use a voltage tester to ensure there's no residual electricity in the wires. Safety first. Now connect the wires from the new detector to the house wiring. Typically, you'll match the colors: black to black, white to white, red to red. Use wire nuts to secure the connections. Secure the new detector to the mounting bracket and tighten the screws. Ensure it's firmly in place. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Test your new combination detector according to the manufacturer's instructions. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your smoke detector to a combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Remember, regular testing is key to keeping your home safe, and replace every 10 years. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more home safety tips and tutorials.